Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever it may be. Today I just found a big old pile of dirt here along the side here. I'm gonna be grabbing this and kind of filling in some of the, I guess you could call low spots along our trail here. In our last video, you saw us widening this path so we could get the tractor up. But you can see there's spots like this where there's a big old rock that I'm obviously not going to be moving with the tractor. So my goal is today to fill in some of these low spots with dirt to make it a nice smooth transition all the way through here. And there's plenty of those spots throughout this trail that I'm going to have to do that too today. So kind of step 2 of getting this tractor into the woods. And as you can see, this Emax 21S is not a very large tractor. It can almost fit sideways. Well, maybe not all the way sideways on this trail, but a little bit sideways on this trail to be able to maneuver around here. So I think it's really going to fit our land perfect for the uses we need to get out of it. So Deanna's clearing all the brush off for me so I can just get to the dirt. Might be hauling some sticks and stuff along with it, but really we just need to fill in that with some sort of material. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look nice. Just have to be able to get the tractor up and down it. Just need a break. All right, now we gotta see if that's enough to get this tractor over. If not, we'll get more dirt. Well guys, I'm not sure how much Deanna recorded, Probably a lot.
A fair amount.
A fair amount. But the mission is accomplished. We were able to get our tractor over to our other ridge line. This is probably as far as we'll probably be taking the tractor back and forth between our routes. There are some other trails that go up the mountain that I don't think I want to flip this thing over on. So these will be the main routes the tractor will be taking. So we got that accomplished. Probably be taking the bush hog through these trails. I found out that if you just kind of drag the front end loader a little bit, it just takes the top layer of weeds off, as you can kind of see down here a little bit. So I might not need the bush hog too much if I can just clear it with the front end loader. But step 2 is accomplished. Now step 3, starting to get the wagon up here and bringing all this wood back down to the property. Yep, wood and rocks.
Landscaping.
So that is what we'll be doing next. Well guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DNSadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.